I'm Batman.
Run, bitch! Run!
Smoke weed every day.
What's up, YouTube? Wow, man. What's happening? Clown Guy John in the house. Holy shit, man. Logan Jackson. Holy shiza, man. What's up, man? Everyone's coming out of the woodworks tonight. Man, oh man. Good to see you, buddy. How are you, buddy? What the hell? What's been going on with you, man? I don't know if I've seen you live or not. Or anything, man. What's been going on? Oh, a lot of stuff, dude. I'm coming back soon. Oh, yeah. Awesome, man. Clown Guy, dude. And anytime you need anything, man, you know where to find me, man. You know how to get a hold of me. Anytime, anything you need for me. Oh, yeah. Zelda Master John. That one's for you, pal. Yeah. Excellent. Oh, Mr. Rackham, 1976. Good evening. Good to see you in the chat. Is 1976? Is that your birthday? Mine's my birthday is 1979. So, oh yes, good stuff. Yeah, Dibs, my man, Dibs. Oh, and Zelda Master John, of course. Okay, BJ, Bob's Adventure, Conaman Studio, guys.
Hail to the king,
What is
baby.
up? How's it going tonight? So tonight. So Wednesday night, I always go into drawings, specifications, contracts, just stuff, right? Just stuff like, anything really kind of to related to management, construction management. So one of my biggest missions is trying to train workers and train people so they know they know the rules, they know their way around construction, they know the contracts and the types of delivery systems that they're working under, so that they can be better workers and better managers when the time comes, right? So we've been helping a lot of guys with estimating and things like that. So there's all kinds of guys that come in here. There's actual architects and engineers that watch this show, and they like to see it from our perspective. And so yeah, it's a pretty cool stuff going on, man. Good stuff. Just hit 1.4 thousand subscribers, or 1.4 thousand subscribers. Excellent. And I seem to have a lot. Good stuff. Oh my god. Okay. So, if you guys have any questions about contracts, drawings, specifications, anything like that, let me know. Tonight, I'm sorry guys, like I know I'm trying to be consistent here, and so tonight I am doing the normally scheduled Wednesday stream, but I want to probably stream again either tomorrow or Friday, and kind of like do this again. Like I am like, guys, I am like I am beat. I am so tired. Today was like day 18 or 17 straight, and I just been doing a lot of stairs, like carrying materials, like carrying drywall up the stairs, you know, like things are a little like the dynamics have changed at work. I got two guys now, right? So I'm trying to feed the beast, right? Feed the beast. So, you know, guys, if you're an apprentice and you're watching this right now, okay? Listen to me. Listen to what I have to say, okay? If you're an apprentice, if you're somebody new working in any freaking trade at all, actually, this will apply to anybody new. The fact that like I worked with this one guy for 5 or 6 years, maybe even longer. I've been with Aaron now for we're probably going on year 3. Aaron and I are probably going on year 3. And the thing is, guys, I'm still doing the laborer work, like the apprentice, the laborer type work. And the reason why I'm doing it is because I do it better, I do it faster. So this is the thing. If you're a new apprentice, a new worker, and you want to be a superstar and you want to make bank and you want them to trust you and give you responsibility, this is Amos, buddy. By the way, I did see Amos. My brother Amos.
Welcome to the rice fields, mother.
Yeah. I did see you, buddy. Okay, but anyways, back to my little rant. So it's kind of funny, like doing the installation part of it is it is what it is. Like anybody can really do it after you've done it so many times or you've been shown how to do it. Really, anybody can do the installation part. What really makes money is how good and how fast you are at like prepping, right? So for example, we're fire rating and we're doing it by piecework. And so, hey, tech for your needs. What's happening, man? So there's a lot of strips that have to be cut, different sizes, 3 1/4, 5 1/4, and 12 3/4. Okay, there's 3 different sizes of strips that have to be cut. There's 11 units of floor. Each unit has four, and everything, all the wraps are double layer. Okay, so you need to have like strips cut for every single unit. Okay, now a good apprentice is gonna be able to, at the very least, stay ahead of the journeyman or the journey people working and installing. Okay, you want to have the strips cut and ready. You want to know how many strips go in of each kind in every unit, and you want to have that ready ahead of them. You don't want the people who are installing to ever wait. Okay, now a good apprentice, a good helper, a good laborer, a good apprentice is gonna have all those strips cut, right? And they're gonna be doing units, right? They're gonna say there's 3 of us, right? So there's 2 guys coming this way. So by the time I have every single strip cut for the whole floor, right? I'm doing units. Then I jump on units and I start completing units going back to meet the other guys, right? The journeyman never have to cut a strip, right? And the same thing when you're drywalling or framing, okay? You're going to know how to go ahead and take measurements, like accurate measurements, and get prepared. Be prepared, get prepared. Things ready for the people who are installing, okay? There's nothing more important than that, okay? Getting accurate measurements is huge. Accurate measurements and laying out the material for the people who are installing. Okay, so it's kind of crazy that I'm like the most experienced guy, right? And I still have to go back and cut the strips and do the labor, like hauling the material up the stairs and all that, because I'm still the fastest at that, right? It just makes more sense for the fastest guy to do that, right? So yeah. Anyways, that's just me. That's just my rant for tonight. Man, so what's going on in the chat? What's going on in the chat, man? Oh, man, good to see you, Calling Guy John, man. It's been too long, buddy. It didn't been too long. How is New York? I bet you it's been a little. This has been crazy since the whole pandemic, eh? And there was a new guy in the chat. Where are you there? I'm glad you said hello. Where's the new guy? I saw a new guy in the chat. Where's that guy's name? Anyone see that there's a new guy? Oh man, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Zelda, Medias, Klein John, Logan, Jackson. Oh yeah, Mr. Rankin, 1976. So, good evening, brother. That's awesome, man. Mr. Rankin, 1976. I never got an answer. I'm like, I was born in 1979. So 1976 we're pretty close, man. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, may contain nuts. Yeah, I don't know who that guy is. We should just ban that guy. Okay. So also, by the way, one last rant before I jump into the drawings. If anybody here has not subscribed to Ant on Team Smoke, go there and do that. The guy is like, we got to get him to his first 1,000 subscribers. And Team Smoke is a good guy. I've known him so long. Honestly, like I've known him since I've been started on YouTube. Like, it's like it was crazy. Like I knew him from one community, and then we all started. This guy like kind of went nuts on that community, so Ant went and started his own. And so it's been cool, man. That's where Eva comes from, and good people come from there. Good people from there. So. NYC is just getting back to normal. That's good. That's good. That's good. Normal's good, man. Normal is good. Let's see. Do we have any good music? Oh, we got some tunes are playing. I don't know. Can you guys hear the tunage? Let me know if you guys can hear the tunage.
Can you hear the music? Oh yeah, baby. Can you hear it?
Yeah, you know it, man. You know it. Shit. Okay, so anyways, moving on. I have some drawings open right now. I'm actually using two computers right now. I haven't used the two computers in a while, so hopefully the NDI works just fine tonight. Hey, BJ's back. What's up? Very cool, man. Nice. Zelda Master John. Yeah, dude. Yeah, what am I now? I think I'm going to be 42 years old this March. March 7th is my birthday. So yeah, I'll be 42, I think, this year. Yeah. What? Dude, man, BJ, how the hell can you do that without letting me know, man? How could I miss seeing you do that? Seriously, brother, man, how is it possible? Man, I know I've been tired and just I've been working lots and stuff, but damn, man, I tried to check all my messages. I didn't should have been like 7-gram joint, smoking it now. And I'm like, what? I'm gonna go see this guy smoking 7-gram joint, man. I'm not sure what you mean. Can't believe you're defying your daughter the computer. Oh man. So yeah, Amelia's getting bigger. You know, so it's kind of funny. Like I let her play with, and then Dibs plays on the, and it's like, she's just, I don't know, man. She wants to be big, and, she's also excited and just happy beyond, it's just so cool, man. I just love seeing her happy, It's so cool, man. Dibs, man, builds this crazy stuff in Creativerse. So we build stuff in but Dibs, man, you should see his Creativerse stuff. Holy cow, the stuff he builds there is incredible, man. Incredible. That was just a small one. What? Nah, man. No, man. Are you kidding me? I would just like, I think like the biggest joints I ever smoked are probably like a gram, maybe filled with a gram, maybe. You know, yeah, I don't do the big ones too often, eh? Yeah, yeah. Hey, Eddie. Yes, sir. Everyone's doing well, man. So good to see you. My God, so good to see you. I hope all is well with you and the girls as well, man. Man, Eddie Smallhorn, guys. That's so cool, man. Very, very nice. Very nice. My goodness, man. I've been watching all of Christina's stuff, and man, so cool. I just love where she's at right now, man. I just love watching it. It's so cool. Okay, so I'm good there. I'm just gonna pop the chat here in case I miss anything. Hey, Rapper Jade. Hey, Drew. What? Hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? Who is this yard dap in the hat? What's going on, man? How's Tokyo Drew? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Yeah, nice. Very good. Man, I just everybody's here. I'm excited to see everyone in the chat. It's wonderful, man. It's nice. I know the topic of the stream is the drawings and the specs and stuff like that. So listen, guys, if you're watching and you have any questions regarding this stuff, let me know. Okay, let me know. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. But yeah, otherwise we're just kind of like chilling in the chat. Like I don't know really, like, you know, I go through this stuff every week, right? Three and a half is about as enough. Oh my God, man. Yeah. Oh, BJ, man. So BJ, listen, man. Listen. Sorry, bro, but this is one thing you need to do. Okay, BJ, is you need to roll your joints before you stream, because you take your sweet ass time doing it. It's like, when's BJ gonna roll? When is he gonna finish that, man? he's like working on a painting, like a Picasso, man. Yeah, baby. Oh man, no, I'm just kidding, man. You know we love you, buddy. You know we love you. Hey, Shaq, man, Shaq Attack. Good to see you, man. How are you, buddy? How's everything going? How are you working steady now, or is the job back on like, you know, back on track? Everything good? How's things, man? Man, we gotta schedule a call. You and me, man. You know, anytime. All you gotta, you know my email, you know how to get a hold of me, man. Just send me a Discord or something anytime you wanna call and talk, man. Shaq, make sure you do that, okay? It'd be cool, man. It'd be cool to catch up and see where you're at. Yeah, man. Oh, so cool, man. So cool. Val, yeah, I see you playing that Valhelm at the moment. Yeah, I wonder what that's about. Oh, whoa, what? A crane, eh? No, I didn't. Let me see here. Let me see if I can find it. And we'll check it out right now, Shaq.
Start with the scene as you guys arrived here at this morning.
Oh yeah, check this out, eh?
Once again, this is Sergeant Stafford, Public Information Officer for Atlanta Fire. So, just around 9 a.m. this morning, we got a call from a construction site.
Oh, so all your okay, Shaq. So, well, that's the job I'm working at. You're working at this job? Oh my God, no way! This is the job you're working at? all your
here.
tools
Now,
are there, but luckily you're at another
right
job
now, we've had
and they
to
let you
evacuate
borrow
a
tools and
public
lasers.
three
Wow. So you were
residential
there?
buildings and 2 parking decks as a result of this. And once again,
Whoa.
this is Sergeant Stafford, Public Information Officer for Atlanta Fire. So
Whoa.
around 9 a.m. this morning, we got a call from a
That would
construction
be
site
so
advising
scary. My
that
God.
they had a
If
mechanical
you were
failure
in the
on a
job
tower crane they were
and
in the
like
process of dismantling.
the
That
crane,
malfunction
like tower
actually
crane
caused
fell into the
the
building, that would be
entire upper
pretty
part of the crane
scary.
to lean back towards a
Oh my
major,
God,
major
Shaq,
tree
that's
here in
crazy. Oh my
downtown
God,
Atlanta.
nothing. Oh
So
my
right
God, I've
now, we've
never
had
had
to
anything like that
evacuate
happen on my jobs
approximately
before.
3
Thank God,
high-rise
man.
residential buildings and 2
Oh,
parking decks as a
wow.
result of this crane now leaning down in the area.
And right now, we've heard that there's been no injuries being reported. What are some of the dangers that you guys could face if this does collapse?
The biggest risk right now that it's facing is any property damage, anyone that may be in the area, and also if it does fall and hit another building, there's going to be debris that may come down off the buildings and off the crane that may severely injure or possibly kill someone if this crane comes down.
And so, with your team on the ground,
What
you do
is
also,
going on
you're
there?
working with engineers. So, what's going to be happening from here on?
Oh
as you
my
guys
gosh,
continue to
this is
try to investigate the
crazy.
situation?
So from what I understand, the contractors who have been working on this crane have a crane engineer flying in right now. We also have some other mobile cranes that
Wow.
are en route with police escort
Oh my
to
God,
work
Eddie.
on
Yes, I did.
continuing dismantling these cranes.
So the what happened at the Hard Rock in New Orleans a few years ago, or was it like 2 years ago maybe? It was awful. That was awful. My God. So what happened there was, I think that was shady concrete. Hey, Eddie, was that not shady concrete, or was it? It was had something to do with the inspections. Were like, oh man, something happened was pretty shady. That and then oh my God, that was awful. What happened in New Orleans? Oh my God, the closest thing to leaving a job site was when someone had the COVID, and my on the job site, and we all had to take a rapid test and report in the next day. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my God. Oh man, that. So let's look up the
So
Hard Rock
we
again right after
estimate
this.
now that we may be here for the next
What
24 to 48
caused
hours
this? What
of
caused this?
work
Do you know?
to get this crane down, and that's going to require
410
numerous trees
feet.
Midtown
Oh my God. Yeah,
tower
they're
crane.
gonna have to
And
they're gonna
it's
bring
going
in
to mean
mobile
that people
cranes,
in that area are
just
going
like
to
the
have to
same
stay
the
out
same
of it for
cranes
that length
that
of time
set
as
them
well.
up, right? So
That's
I
correct.
can
We've already
picture a
informed the
big
people in
180. You know. Oh my God.
these buildings surrounding the crane that's
This is the kind
jeopardous
of things
that
that
they may be out
I
of
always
their
wonder
homes here for
what
the next
Jimmy
24
from
to
To the
48
Top
hours.
Crane
And
thinks
so
about,
far,
right?
everyone has been compliant and understandable.
Supposedly
Has
some
this been something that you
malfunction.
guys have had to deal with before? You know, you have
But
to
a
go through
malfunction.
something
It
that's
looks
more
like
of a structural
the.
stability concern rather than a fire response.
I mean, Atlanta
Oh
is
my
a growing
gosh.
metropolis, so
It
to
looks
speak, and so
funny because like
there's over a dozen construction
the
sites
actual
with tower cranes
like the
being erected
tower
here
itself
in
looks like it
downtown and midtown Atlanta. I mean,
broke.
there's
Like
just
it
about,
broke.
you know, for
Oh, I
accidents that
bet.
happen,
Oh my
it's not
God, the
something that
company's already
we
getting sued for
too
sure. They
often,
are,
but we
yeah.
have had in the past a number
Oh
of
my
incidents related
God.
to either building construction
Heard a
or
guy's
parking
power
deck
cord
collapse, et
ripped
cetera, et cetera.
on a
So
lift on
our
a
firefighters,
skyscraper. The guy
our
was up there for a
incident
while.
commanders, we definitely
That would have been
manage the
uncomfortable.
situation.
Oh
We
my
try to train
God.
for every situation that we
Cranes are
can
no joke.
encounter.
Oh my
This is
God,
a
Client
unique
Guy
team.
John,
We're
no way,
working
man.
with the
Dude, I
building
know.
constructors and
I
engineers to try to
spent
figure out how we can
3 years
take care of
3 years
this situation safely.
solid, 3 years
Right, and I
solid
think
as a
that's the key
rigger
right there is
and a
trying to do
crane
it
operator.
safely
I ran
for everybody
a
as
tower
well. So
crane,
once
I
again,
ran
thank you
a 30-ton
for joining
mobile
us
crane,
live
but
here
I
in
worked as a
Southwest Fox. I
rigger
hope
with
that you guys continue to stay
180s
safe
and
at this
like
breaking
I
news
worked
today.
with big cranes, okay? I worked with RTs,
And
mobiles,
once again, that was the latest update thanks to Atlanta Fire Phoenix.
all kinds of
Give us a
cranes.
call. That's one of the great
Oh
things about news
man,
now from Fox as
cranes are
well,
no
is trying
joke,
to bring you
and that's
into
why
these
I
breaking news
stopped by
situations
by the
as they
way,
continue to
Client
unfold.
Guy
We're
John.
going to be
Hey
watching
Abraham,
this, as
man,
you just heard him
this
say.
happened
This could be a
few
situation where they have
February
to
19th,
continue
so a few days
work
back. So
in
we're
this
talking about this
area,
because
keep us
Shaq,
locked off,
who's
and
up in
have
the
the
chat
situation
in the
continuing
chat there,
it
he
could
was
take
at
another
this
24
job
to
when this
48
happened.
hours.
So
Once again,
this is
some of you are
crazy.
going to be having
Right?
to
So yeah,
evacuate.
Shaq was
Others, like
actually
we were
on this
saying,
job when this
Chicago
happened.
COVID-19
So
vaccine
pretty
site,
crazy, man.
update.
Oh no, what? In Boston? Oh no. No, that I do not like hearing about that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit, really? Oh. Huh? What the hell is this? I don't want to connect, period. Oh, never mind. That won't let me,
And we begin tonight with the tragic death of 2 construction workers here in Boston. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us at 6
Whoa.
in Shannon Malaire.
Oh
Two
no.
lives were lost in the heart of the city when a dump truck slammed straight into a construction site, sending 28-year-old Jordan Romero and
Whoa,
one
what?
other.
What
Joining us
happened?
at 6 in Shannon Malaire. Today, 2 lives were lost in the heart of the city when a dump truck slammed straight into a construction
dump
site,
truck.
sending 28-year-old Jordan Romero and
Oh.
one person down into a trench. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg speaking with Romero's
Oh
family. He
man.
joins us live in the financial district where that deadly crash happened. Eli.
Well, Shannon, very emotional as the 28-year-old's family gathered out here looking for some answers about what happened
That's
this morning.
the worst, man.
This all happened when a truck hit the 2 while they were working here behind me, and all these hours later.
Oh, they still haven't got into the building in New Orleans?
The shock and disbelief out
Oh,
here,
wow.
the loss starting to sink in.
Oh,
as family
man.
members gathered, crying, watching as police investigated.
Oh, that's the worst.
What's going on with this accident because it's very hard. It's very hard for me.
Maria Villa Lopez's son, 28-year-old
So
Jordan.
why?
Romero,
How did that
2
happen?
men killed this morning at this construction site in downtown Boston.
I walked outside waiting for my first appointment.
Jared Petruzella saw it all happen. The crew's working to fix a pipe that leads into the building where his barber shop is located.
Can you hear the volume
One of the
better?
guys signaled the truck to turn on and to back up a little bit. And when it turned on, there was like a high rev. Shot back, hit both the guys that were standing right behind the truck.
Safety first.
Real
Yep.
tragedy.
That's right, man.
Petruzella says he immediately ran to the hole and called 911. Boston Fire launching a technical rescue to reach the 2. But a crane had to be brought in to lift the truck before 2 firefighters were lowered into the hole. Police say both construction workers died at the scene.
Right now, we don't know if this is a crime. We know that it's a tragedy.
What the f-
As police investigated, Romero's family huddled together. They say he was recently married and had 2
Oh.
young kids back in his native El Salvador.
But he found
Oh,
his job
no.
like an escape from reality. And he just wanted to work really hard for his kids to come out here,
Damn it.
just live a better life.
And
Jeez.
police have not identified the second victim out here. Both worked for Atlantic Coast Utilities. The mayor saying he has frozen their work permits here in the city. Both OSHA
They haven't
and the
identified
DA's
the
office
second
are
victim, eh?
investigating.
Wow.
Live in downtown Boston, Eli Rosenberg.
So what the hell, man? Like, why? What the hell? What happened? Yeah, my condolences to that family. That's awful. Yeah, safety is so important. Oh man. Oh, what the hell? Why would that guy do that? It makes no sense at all. Let me see if I can find the most recent, something more recent, like the most recent on New Orleans. That was crazy as well. Let's see here. How do man, I hate hearing about yeah, workers and people, like innocent people getting hurt. Oh, it's the worst, man. Especially like you're on the job, you know, and you get hurt or killed. You know, you got a family, and yeah, it's awful.
explosions take place, and there we go.
Oh yeah, that was that when they
One did not go
Oh
as
my
planned.
right when they tried to implode them and they take them down. Oh man, what a disaster that was. Man, that was a disaster. Yeah, I believe so. I think we did see that.
All right, you're looking live right now at the Hard Rock Hotel that
Hold on here, let me see.
Now crews are trying to stabilize.
Sorry guys,
I'm
I'm
try and find the one person who is still missing. The evacuation order has now been expanded to include the businesses on Canal Street that are across from that construction site. That's been done out of an abundance of caution because the building itself and both cranes are still extremely
But yeah, ultimately that's why I stopped rigging and working with cranes, is because how stressful it was. It is very dangerous. Like guys, like a lot of us work on job sites with cranes on them, and we don't really realize what's going on, right? Like they're dangerous, man. They're really dangerous. And I was so stressed out. I couldn't take it. I had a nervous breakdown because it was so stressful, man. Cranes and rigging is very stressful. There's a reason why they get paid a lot of money, guys.
Are learning more about the contractors involved in the project.
Oh, you're talking about this? Oh, yes. Okay, New Orleans. Okay.
Currently underway.
Yeah, right now we start with Danny Monteverdi, who has new details on the building itself. Danny.
Well, good evening, Charisse. Good evening, Katie. All the past few days, authorities have said their priorities are.
Let's see if I can find the most
one person left in the building and making sure this
like a most recent article.
That right now, you can see one thing that shows you just how dangerous this is right now. There's actually one of those two cranes.
February 2021.
And every time the wind blows, that moves. So at some point, though, officials have to take a look at what's next for the building after the search and rescue mission ends.
Oh my God, I hope everybody got out safe.
Oh man, did you see that? Like the steel stud coming down, hey? Oh my God.
And that was her thought Saturday when she saw what happened to the Hard Rock Hotel. One of the questions now is what will eventually
the steel stud's the only thing keeping that building up right now. Because I think it was was it not, Eddie? Was it the concrete that wasn't up to spec, right? The concrete, I think.
What might happen in the future?
From the videos and from what I've seen,
they used a weaker concrete or the wrong kind of concrete.
Matei says that indicates the foundation.
Hey, Georgia!
Another engineer.
How are you? Welcome, Georgia Peach, guys.
Appears to be a solid core with much of the lower floors still intact. Those floors are designed for commercial space and the garage.
It actually looks like a substantial part of it may be okay.
But it could be some time still before experts can get inside to figure out what happened.
Yes, it was the concrete. Yes, okay.
Unfinished building.
Yeah.
The entire building right now is in very precarious.
I'm trying to find a recent article, but
issue to rescue. We are
oh gosh, how do I sort by recent?
And while there's always the possibility some of the building
why do they make it so
stand,
difficult? I wonder.
Inspections might eventually show too much was damaged.
It may be wise to just mow it down instead of
the entire thing.
The entire thing.
Where's
if there's something that is wrong
more
throughout the building.
And so again, tonight the priority, as we said, is making sure
so
that one
weird.
person gets out, making sure the first responders going in to look for that person are safe and stabilizing the building. But at some point, they are going to come in there and figure out.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I can't find anything recent on it. Well, that's too bad. Oh man. Oh, let's get some music on for a minute here. Oh my goodness, this woo. Oh yeah, BJ's in the house, Georgia Peach is in the house, Eddie Smallhorn, Amos, my man, Shack Attack, Clan Guy John, Mr. Rankin 1976. Dibs, me Dibs, my favorite troll. Yeah. Zelda Master John, What's up, guys? Hey, Bill Beckett, man, what's happening, man? How's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome. Man, oh man. Wow. So this is this here, what we're looking at is a complete tender package, right? And it's pretty nice. Look at this here. So specifications, volume 1. Oh, by the way, that reminds me. I need to write a note. Because I have another video to make. I'm gonna on the steel stud, like on the codes that are typed on the studs, like so that you can know how to identify the type of steel you're using by the serial numbers, basically, right? And oh, I'm gonna write this one too. I had an idea today, guys. I think you guys will like this idea. I had an idea about filling a dump truck. What if we filled a dump truck up full of tools, right? Like filled it up with pouches and tools and hand tools, power tools, and drove around to construction sites and just handed out free shit. I think that would be pretty cool. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think that's a good idea? I think that would be pretty rad. Sorry. I'm gonna leave you. Need to sleep. Yeah, right on, Mark. Have a great night, man. Have a very good night. I'm glad you made it, man. Have a good night, buddy. That's dope, dude. Yeah, cool, eh? I think that'd be a fun idea, man. To just like, yeah, how fun would that be to fill a dump truck up full of tools, right? And drive around to construction sites and give them away to guys. That'd be so cool, right? That's like some Mr. Beast level shit right there, you know? I'm 90% sure I can get like partners to do that with me, you know, and you know, like so that like at least the first time we do it, like hopefully I can get like a lot of it, you know, like people. I think I could get people. I think I could talk guys into doing it. So, yeah, I think it'd be cool. I think it'd be really fun. Oh yeah, Rapper Jabe. How is things going with you, Rapper Jabe? Oh. Oh, so that's a tender package. Listen, guys, if you guys have any questions about the tender packages or drawing specifications, please ask me. This is the Wednesday night show where I am available to you guys to answer those kind of questions. Anything on construction management. But if we're just chilling, I'm just chilling. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Because I am freaking tired. Yeah, I've just been working lots, and I've been doing a lot of stairs and lifting material upstairs the past couple of days, so I really wrote. But I will go live. I promise I will go back. I will go live again the next couple of days here when I'm rested, and we can dive into something. I'll pick a subject and we'll deep dive into like details or something like that, or shop drawings or something. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Please do, okay? Because this is really what this hour is for. So, hey, Austin, M, what's up, man? Good to see you. Welcome. Excellent. Good to see you. How have you been, man? Excellent, man. Excellent. Okay, so Hard Rock Hotel. So the floor beams on the 16th floor were underdeveloped to handle load. Also, structural steel fastener and attachment brackets were subpar. Hold up here. Let me show that. I'll throw that up on the screen, yeah? Okay, Amos. Thanks, man. I thought for sure it was the concrete. I thought there was a lawsuit already on the go right now because of that, but oh yeah. Woo! Man, I think this is one of my favorite songs on Epidemic Sound. This is definitely one of my favorite songs. Kicking shit like Bruce Lee, yeah. Fucking love Bruce Lee though. You know, Bruce Lee is the man. Was the man. Very nice. Oh god, yeah. So I have some new videos coming out as well. I'm gonna take like I was saying, I have maybe another day of work. Actually, I actually literally worked myself out of work, guys. So I'm gonna go in tomorrow. I might have a day of work tomorrow. I don't know for sure what's up. But our next we're gonna probably might be off till next week. I'm gonna probably say like the 4th or 5th till we go back. So I'm gonna have a few days off again. So I'm gonna be working on lots of content. I have obviously a lot of footage. I've been recording, and I have other things to record. So I got a bunch of content coming out. I'm gonna do. I got a few more short videos, a few more shorts to put out, and a couple more long form tutorials as well. I'm gonna be shooting some of the original videos I've been trying to shoot for so long. I'm gonna shoot those as well for like the new workers and things like that. So that'd be pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. But like I said, guys, like anytime you guys want something, like anytime you guys need answers, just ask me, man. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, like steel stud, drywall, really anything at all, anything when it comes to building, construction, and management of it, if I don't know it, I will find you the answers. Okay, like yeah, Kronies all bitchin'. Yeah, I love it. You like that? You like that? That's my the shortcut to the membership or whatever. Join the member or whatever. Yeah. I gotta stop the stream elements ones though. You know that? I keep forgetting to do that. Maybe I should just sign on right now. Let me see if I can stop the stream elements ones right now. I keep forgetting to do that. I don't want two of them going, right? But I'd rather have all of my stuff coming through Nightbot, and then I use stream elements for my alerts, right? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, really? Boom. This one. Yeah, and I really want to do more Stream Pocket stuff too, eh? Austin, yeah, good to see you, man. Okay, awesome. Here we go. We got a question. Question time. Shock Attack has a question. Let's put it up on the screen. Yeah, let's put it up on the screen. Okay, I have a question on hard ceiling. How to know where to start. I understand you have to look at your blueprints and see if there are any lights in the way of your main. So knowing where to begin. Okay, so Shaq. Excellent. Okay. So on your hold on. First of all, can you hear me? Is the music too loud? I don't want to answer this question if the music's too loud. Let me know if I gotta lower it. Or turn it off before I answer that. Because I got the answer for you. 3, 4. Oh yeah, this is a good one too. Sounds fine. Okay, excellent. Thanks, Sue. Thank you, sir. Okay, so a hard ceiling, so like T-bar ceiling. I can let me go to the screen. You're asking about a T-bar ceiling, right? Not a hard ceiling, like a suspended ceiling, a T-bar. That's what you're saying. Not a hard ceiling to me would be a drywall finished ceiling. So a hard ceiling. Where the frick is my mouse? Hold on, I gotta find my mouse. Okay, all right, see, right there. Excellent. No, it's okay. Beauty. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. He says, yeah, Amos, as if he almost ever wants the music to be turned off. Acoustical. It's acoustic. It's an acoustic ceiling, right? All right. Let me see if I can find some sort of All right. Well, yeah, there we go. There's sort of a layout plan. Can you see that? He knows me well. Hold up. Let me see here. You know what else I can do? I can just draw it for you as well. Let me just open up Critter. Critter. All right. So Shaq, am I right? You're asking about T-bar, right? All right. Let's see here. Is this gonna work? Okay. Excellent. I don't like the thickness though, that's for sure. Alright, let's try that. Okay, that's good. That works. So Austin, so that's a great question. That's actually a really good question, Austin. So this is the thing, guys. Okay, like, and this is the reality of it. Okay, everybody sends digital, right? You never get a hard copy anymore, right? Everybody is always dealing with digital. So if you're serious about a job, okay, if you're absolutely serious about a job and if you want to estimate a job the best you can, you're going to print it. Okay? You're going to print the drawings. And there's a reason for this. Sorry, Shaq, I'm going to get to your question. Right away. Hey buddy, how's it going, man? Okay. I'm going to get your question, Shaq. Okay. I'm going to show you the, drywall ceiling because I haven't learned acoustic yet. Oh, okay. Perfect. Then that's fine. That's even better then. Okay. Okay. I'm going to answer these questions real quick. Because I can answer Austin's quicker. So you need to have both. Okay, you're never going to get sent a hard copy anymore. Everything's going to be sent to you digital, but you need to print out all the specifications, all of the drawings, all the addendums, everything. Okay, you need to have a binder. Okay, and you need to put all your drawings in that. If they're small, like 11 by 17s is even good. Okay, even 11 by 17s. Okay. Full-size drawings are mint, but they are very expensive to get printed. Big companies and serious companies, big players, subcontractors or general contractors, they're going to be printing out full-size to scale drawings on every job they bid, every single job they bid. okay? Because you're gonna an estimator you need to actually see a physical copy, okay? The digital stuff isn't as good. It's not as good. Trust me, it's not as good. All right, you need to go through the physical drawings on these things, okay? You need to highlight your stuff, and you need to, you know, blah blah blah. You write on them, whatever, okay? The digital stuff now you either send away to a company that does your BIM for you, right? Or you do digital takeoffs yourself using software. And then what happens is you compare the numbers between the software results and your physical results. And if there's any discrepancies, then you can go back and verify where those discrepancies come from, okay? That's called BIM, right? And if you're not doing that, you're not being competitive. You're not bidding the same way that all the big players are, okay? So you need both. So it's a costly thing. It's very expensive. Bidding jobs is very expensive. So you need to be smart on what jobs you're bidding, okay? And if you're like some of the bigger companies that I've worked for, they're so big, they have all this money, they can bid everything, right? But if you're small, okay, you need to be very smart in how you bid. Okay, you can't just go out there and start throwing numbers out everywhere and this and that. Okay, you gotta be smart. You gotta be really smart. So, I hope that answers your question. Hey, Conaman Studio. How's it going, bro? Good to see you, man. Very good to see you, dude. Okay, here's the music. Here's the music back. Okay, so drywall ceiling. So Shack Attack. So Shaq's question is, on a hard ceiling, how to know where to start? I understand you have to look at your blueprints and see if there's any lights in the way. No, you don't have to look at the blueprints, Shaq. Not for drywalling ceiling. And this is it. Okay. When you drywall it, the lights when you drywall a ceiling, the light boxes will already be in it. Okay, hold on here, shite. Right, they're like shaped like this. Okay. Now, the only thing you want to make sure, okay, the light boxes are already going to be installed. Okay, and they're always going to be along a joist, probably. Yeah, they're usually along a joist. Okay, so now all you want to make sure is you run your tape measure along, okay, and you make sure the bevel doesn't land on the light if you can help it. If say the ceiling has like 10 million or let's say the ceiling has three light boxes in it, okay? Say the ceiling has 3 light boxes in it. And you, no matter what, okay, it lands on a 48 somewhere in one of these boxes, okay? Well, yeah, okay. Shift it so that it only lands on 2 out of, or it does, you know what I mean? It's only on 1. Or shit, I'm confusing you. I'm not even making any sense. Hold on here. You basically, you know what I mean, right? You want to run your tape, check your layout. You want to make sure that that your bevels don't land on a box, okay? You don't want your bevels to land on a box if you can help it, right? Don't land on a box. Hey, David, Mr. David, 121. What's happening, man? Good to see you, man. So the other thing you want to make sure, okay, is, okay, this is a corner, right? You want to run your tape and you want to make sure that your sheets are going to land like, either here, right? Like say 4 to 6 inches back from a corner. Okay. Or 4 to 6 inches over a corner so that you can hook it, right? You can hook it. You know what I mean? Those are just some things that you want to check out. Now, the very last thing, here, let me get rid of everything. The very last thing you want to check out on your ceiling is you want to make sure, okay, sorry, this is just a rectangle. You want to make sure that your sheets are like, you want to use maximum amount of sheets, less joints, okay? You got to check your layouts and make sure that like a little piece, like say like a little tiny like 4-inch or less piece, like strip at the end doesn't happen or something silly like that. You know what I mean? You want to make sure you just check your layout so that you're maximizing your joints, right? Hey, Eddie, oh my God, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you very, very much. Oh my God. Very kind of you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat. I have, let me see here. I have something for that. I got an overlay for you. Mr. David, 121, super chat, 99 cents. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Jeez, guys, that's so nice. Thank you very, very much.
Hey, thanks for the super chat, eh?
Oh, and I think this one's the best one. I'm gonna play all three of them. Oh wait, yeah, super chat 2.
Thanks for the super chat, eh?
No, hold on, I gotta
Hoser.
Oh come on, I screwed it up. Oh, I screwed up my.
Thanks for the super chat, eh, Hoser?
No, man, thank you very much. No, you know what? You didn't
Thanks
have
for
to
the
do
super
that.
chat, eh,
I
Hoser?
appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. That was very kind of you. Thank you. Oh, okay. I'm screwing everything
All
up.
right,
Maybe
I'm
I
gonna
can
get me
this
some
one
Tim
right.
Hortons.
Right on. There we go. Cool, man. Thank you, guys. That's dope. Okay. Oh, you know what? I didn't even realize I had that overlay going. Let me get rid of that. Shaq, am I like confusing you? Am I helping you at all here, Shaq? Or am I just totally confusing you right now? Please tell me if I'm helping you or if I'm answering any of your questions. Let me start a new document and see if I can maybe clean that up a little bit. All right, so okay, so one, just check that bevels don't land on boxes if you can help it, right? 2, check to make sure you can hook corners 4 to 6 inches. And the third thing is to check you don't have like a small 1-inch or something stupid or 3/4 inch space at the end of the wall, right? Space at the end you know what I mean? You want to, so like if there's like a little piece or something, you want to make sure you like cut in so that everything hooks nicely and try to make sure, like, you do have to check your layouts. That is what the pros do. That's all they check. You never have to look at the prints, okay? Because the electrical will already be done before you get there. Eddie, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I gotta go, but see you later, Mr. David. Thank you so much for stopping in. Thank you again for the super chat. Appreciate it, man. Good to see you again. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay, so I understand, but we're shooting wires and putting main and T's, but there are no light boxes, so that's where I get confused, not knowing where to begin. Oh, hold on here. So, okay, listen. You had me a little confused. So what you're doing is you're putting in a drywall, like you're putting in the drywall grid, right? Which is the steel stud grid with T mains and T and cross T's. It is a drywall grid that you're putting in. I'll show you. I know what you're doing here. Hold on. Jeez, hold on. I thought you were like doing it on like you were already drywalling structure, right? Yeah. I got you. Okay. So yeah. So then yeah, you do need to check, sort of. Okay, but it's no worries. Don't be sorry. Okay. All right. So hold on. Let me show you what you need to know. No, I don't want to save it. New document. Okay. Just to show you, it's not like the straightest thing in the world, okay? But there's your room. Okay, so you're gonna look at the no matter what, all you have to do is look at the reflected ceiling plan, okay? The electricians will put their lights pretty much like anywhere, okay? Because they have these things where they can move between your mains and stuff. But say you're working in a room and there's like pod lights, say like this, for example, there's 6 pod lights in there. You want to make sure that you're gonna find center, right? And you know that your grid is 2 by 4 or whatever, right? I don't know, what is your grid on that? I think your T's go every 2 feet or something like that, or is it 16 inches on that? I don't know. Is it 16 inches on that, or is it 2 feet? Or it could be either or, maybe. But anyways, so you have to make sure like you're it's gonna be a flat ceiling anyway, so you don't have to make sure. I would just find center of the room, right? And make sure that your next main isn't gonna run into your lights. I don't know where they are. I don't know the dimensions, but yeah, you can look at that reflected ceiling plan. It doesn't have to be sent like square, like a T-bar ceiling, right? Because it's gonna be drywall taped and painted, right? I don't do too much of that type of ceiling, to be honest with you, Shaq. But I would look at the reflected ceiling plan, but it would show you where the lights are. Here, let me see if let me see here. 1 second. Let me see something here. Oh, that's all specifications? Holy shit. Oh no, what happened, Konaman? Oh, did I miss something from Konaman? Oh, yes, Konaman, right. Yes, brother, yeah. Oh, I know, I remember, I know. Oh, so sorry, buddy. Yeah. Oh, God, yeah, Konaman, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh, man, I missed that chat, too. Sorry, buddy. But yeah, I know what I remember. Okay, I'm gonna find a set of drawings. I want to find a reflected ceiling plan. Alright, there's a ceiling plan. Let's see here. Okay, so let's see what the ceiling plan here kind of shows. Yeah, I guess it sort of shows some stuff. It's crazy though, eh, Shaq? Is like you gotta you gotta do some investigation. Man, yeah, that's the problem with those ceilings, man. I always end up talking them into doing So listen. Okay, Shaq. You know what? Listen. I never really have an issue with this ever. Honest to God, I never have an issue with this. We put in our ceilings, and the electricians just put in the lights wherever they want. Okay, they can always do it. It just doesn't. It like you can go in and you frame your steel, right? And the electricians will just come in after, and they'll put the lights in. Now, if there's something like special, okay, I would say like, okay, listen, you would have to talk with the electricians and say to them even and be like, hey, where do you want me to put this steel so that you guys can get your lights in where they need to be? And yeah, that's what I would do. I mean, I've just done so many ceilings, and I just like I've never had to look at the electrical drawings before. And yeah, so here, look at Klein Guy John. Yeah, he's the electrician, right? So we mainly go by code. Switches are at 48 inches center from the floor, and receptacle outlets 18-inch center in the wall. Skonas, yeah. So and then yeah, and then in the ceilings though, right? Like in the ceiling though, when we do drop ceilings, like I do what I use is furring bar and angle. Right, that's what I use to do my ceilings with. I use furring bar and angle. I don't use the T-bar type of drywall ceiling. I mean, I've seen it, and I've done like little tiny bit of it, but I always end up talking them into using the furring bar and angle, right? So, but it would be the same thing. You wouldn't have to worry about that. Yeah. You just put it in as you would need it, and the electricians go in and they just put their lights in. Yeah. So it's don't get stressed out about that part. Yeah. Me, I was just thinking. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm thinking. I'm like, oh, okay, because I'm thinking about T-bar. Okay, because if you're doing T-bar, okay, it's different. T-bar, you find center of the room, okay, and you make sure that your ends are the same. The same cut, right? You center it and you go out from center, okay? Because you want to make sure your two ends at the ends are the same width. The tiles are the same. So that's what I was like thinking about that, right? I'm like, oh man, but you get it. And then and when you're doing walls, so you'll frame the walls on 16-inch centers, right? And the electricians will come in and they'll put their plugs wherever your studs end up, right? It'll be in that area somewhere, right? We never have to worry about where the plugs are or the switches are. We just build our walls and we make it look, and the electricians go in and do their thing. Yeah, sure. Like when we're building steel stud walls or even wood walls, okay, we don't look at the electrical drawings. Let me see if I can see here. 1 second. Check this out, guys. Okay, so check this out. This is this file here. So I got architectural, civil, electrical, and mechanical. So there's a reason why we only see the architectural, okay, not the electrical. So let's look at the reflected ceiling plan on, if I can, main floor lighting plan. All right, let's just check this out. It's so here, yeah, this is the electrician's plan, right, for that same main floor. Okay, it doesn't really have spots almost, right? It's just got like numbers and things, you know what I mean? Like, but there's no dimensions. Do you see how there's no dimensions, right? There's no dimensions. Okay, there's just codes and symbols. Okay. Hey, yeah, Lou Acosta, my stiffeners. Do I screw my stiffeners into your studs? So, no, I don't. Unless I have to. Unless it's specified. So sometimes they are specified, right? There's these new clips that you can get that like go in, and like the stiffening bar, like the U-bar, like clips into it, and you can screw it, and it clips into the knockout, and it's beautiful, right? But I'm old school, right? So I cut angle to go inside of the stud, from flange to flange on the inside of the stud, right? And that's important, because if when it's on the inside of the stud, it'll stop it from turning like this, right? If it's on the outside, right, it'll still move a little bit. So that's why I cut it like just like an eighth shorter, so it goes in nice and tight. And then yeah, I'll just screw it in. And sometimes it's every stud, sometimes it's every second stud. I've had different specifications, you know. But one thing I always do, no matter what, though, is screw my stiffeners together. Okay, so when I have a run of wall channel, we call it channel. So when I have all of my wall channels in, I will screw them together where they overlap, right? So that the electricians and mechanical guys, it gives them a harder time of moving it anyways and stuff, right? So right on, dude. Yeah, no problem, Loon. Anytime, man. Anytime, man. So yeah, that's the thing. Even like, so when we're doing wood framing, it's the same thing. It's no different than steel stud. We don't look at electrical drawings at all. We just frame out the house, and then the electricians come in and they put the plugs wherever they can. And you know what I mean? Like, it's just the way it works out. That's the way it is. And I think too, like that is also like why we have on 16-inch center or 2-foot center type thing as well, right? Because it gives you, it gives the electricians more room, you know, and the tin bashers, everybody, right? All the trades, I call them the trades, you know. We use the print scale and use architect's ruler to get precise locations for fixtures and devices. Yeah. Oh, for sure you guys would, because that's the thing, right? Because you guys know the code. And that's why electricians get paid the big bucks, guys, right? That's why the electricians get paid the big bucks. It's because they know, like, they don't even need dimensions on their prints, right? That's why the electricians get paid the big bucks, right? They don't even need the dimensions on their prints. Right? I'm not kidding, man. I'm using that computer too right now. Okay, just let you know. Oh man. So yeah, word up though. Yeah, and that's the thing too, like I know all the boxes, everything is always at the same height. So switches are always at the same height, receptacles are always at the same height, you know. It's kind of cool, like once you do enough of it, you get to see all the, you know, the routine behind it all, right? Let's see here. So let's look at, look at this here. This is a pool. This is the pool. This is the pool plans. Let's check out the pool plans. Overall pool piping plan. Oh, that's a pool piping plan right there. That's crazy. Piping details. Look, so they have a set of prints. They have a set of prints on this job just for the pool. Just for the pool. There's a set of prints just for that pool. I love reading prints too. Like, hi John. I love blueprints. I love specifications. I love this stuff. I love contracts. I love reading this stuff. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I love this stuff. I absolutely love reading. I studied, like, I did all the contract law courses and I did business law. I love contracts. I love the drawings, specs. I love this stuff. I love it. I don't know what it is about it. I know I can just look at it all day. Yeah, baby. That's a big pool. Right? So this is a recreation center, guys. So, and they're like, this is the swimming pool that they're building in this or renovating or whatever. Is this, are they renovating, or I can't remember if this is a reno. I don't need you right now. Let's see, move you over here. That's better. Oh yeah, mechanical details. Right on, like, check it out, eh? Woo, yeah. A Aegis chemical controller, right? Yeah, and Konoman, he's the mastermind here, eh? Like that guy is like a, that guy can, hey, Konoman, you're like a controls guy, right? If I remember correctly. So, Clan Guy John, do you know that, eh? Konoman Studios, he's like a controls guy, eh? What happens if you don't have a print for the job? Oh my god, that is awesome. So, Clan Guy John, so some jobs, yeah, don't come with prints. And those jobs are like the how do you say? So the ones that I've done like that, I've gone in and I've designed them, and I've come up with the systems myself and presented my systems to the owners, and they've either given me the job or not, right? So yeah, some jobs just don't have prints, but yeah, that just comes down to you being an expert. So I know the codes. I know all the code, right? I know what to do. I know the electrical, the mechanical, the plumbing, the fire, the thermal moisture. I know all the codes, right? So that's what a journeyman does. Okay. And so I go into the building, and they always have permits. They're always inspected. You know what I mean? These are legitimate jobs. Usually it's a custom type job. Okay. And so I go in and basically we're cutting out the engineer and the architect, basically, right? And I'm doing like a design bid, I'm doing a design build kind of thing, right? But yeah, I'll just go in and I'll say, okay, so we need to build this wall here. Here's the cost of material and labor, blah blah blah. And then go build it, right? And it gets inspected and stuff like that. But you know what I mean, right? And that question is for my new project manager or director of operations. Oh, that's hilarious, man. Oh yeah, but no, it's always good to have a print. That's for sure. That's for sure. So because this is the thing too, right? Like if you're on any kind of job, looking for you need to legally protect yourself by having a set of drawings. You need drawing specifications. Those things are what like tell you how to build it, and those are the things that you have protection, like the evidence that you have to show that you built it right. And like, yeah, drawings are just as important for you as they are as for the owners. Okay. I'll go in and I'll do those jobs without drawings for people that I know, and I know like what they're up about, and some things you just have to know. You have to use your judgment, right? Use your judgment if you're gonna do it or not, right? Yes, I build control panels for country theme. Yes. Oh yeah, Conan, that's awesome. Yeah, right on. Right on. Wow, I've been going for an hour and a half already, guys. Holy cow, I didn't think I'd last this long, man. I'm so bagged. Like, I'm severely bagged. I'm gonna go into work for like another day. Hold on, let me switch back to the other system here. And I'm gonna take at least 3 days off. At least 3 days off to catch up. But I bet you, I think it'll be more like 5 days off, to be honest with you guys. We seriously worked ourselves out of work again, so that cold snap that happened, it was like the -40 weather. We're the only trade that was going in and working, right? So all of our work is done. Now we're waiting for other trades to catch up because they all didn't come in, right? So the electricians didn't even come in till I think it was this week, man. So the electricians are trying to catch up. We got electricians, sprinklers, tin bashers, plumbers. So then we have to deal with insulators, fire stop. You know, like, yeah, we're waiting on a lot of freaking trades right now. So yeah, there's no question about it. Every single job, drywall, steel studded drywall, we are the guys who push the jobs, right? It's up to steel studded drywall to keep the project on schedule. We have to build the walls so that the trades can get in and do their thing, okay? But we're also in charge of moisture, thermal protection, fire protection. We got to go in and do our job. We are the ones who push the jobs, okay? We're the bosses on site, okay? We're the ones who push it, okay? If everyone thinks, oh, the drywallers are always the ones who get shit because we're the ones who have to build the walls. We're the ones who push the jobs. No, God, no. Only if if there was an accident, I bet you there would be though. I'm pretty sure that if there was an accident, then there would be testing. That's just legislation. So, but yeah, you don't do that. You don't do it at work. You don't do it at work because yeah, just in case anything happens, yeah, you don't do it at work, right? Too funny, Lou. yeah, team smoke, baby. But no, but I gotta tell you, right? Construction workers, there is a pandemic in construction, guys, and that is opioid usage. Okay, the Percocets and the oxycodone and all the hydromorph and the morphine, all that stuff. It's crazy the amount of opioid usage in the trades. So yeah, man, trying to lower the stigma on the cannabis products because it's a lot better than the pills, guys. So yeah, I know. I haven't been doing that in a while. I shouldn't be smoking down here. Actually, I said I wasn't gonna smoke down here anymore, but totally yeah. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm not thinking right. Oh shit, man. Yeah, the fun zone. The baby. Good to see everybody. Good to see you guys tonight, man. So many good guys. Just awesome. Everyone that comes, everyone in this community is just awesome. Yeah, the pain pills. Yeah, it's awful pandemic in construction, man. And it's funny too because I never took pills in my life. I never took Tylenols. Never took medicine. My mom's kind of a hippie, and she never gave me any medicine, right? So I took my first pill ever when I was working in construction, and it was my partner. I'm like, oh man, I was like in so much pain. And he's like, here, take this, and he gave me some perks, eh? I'm like, oh yeah, okay. Fucking pain went away, and those perks led to oxys and hydromorphs and all that stuff, right? So, man, it was really, it was a tough go for a while there, man. Trying to battle through like some major pain issues and a fucking opiate addiction, you know what I mean? So glad I kicked that, and yeah, just smoke my weed now. That's it. Smoke some weed, and you know, the pain is actually, you know, it's actually subdued and everything's really good. I'm a little gimpy, you know, like my shit doesn't work like it used to, but I just adapted and I just, you know, use it differently, you know what I mean? So but yeah, guys, like, pain is inevitable if you keep working the trades and you know, in the trenches and taking grenades. You know what I mean? Hey, Shaq, have a great night, my man. Thanks for coming. Good to see you again tonight, my man. Hope everything is well. Man, bro, I'm the only subscribers away. I'm only 3 subscribers away from 100 on the channel. Oh, BJ's just tripping, man. He's all pumped up on YouTube. He's all hyped on the YouTube Kool-Aid. I love it, man. He's got the YouTube fever. BJ, nice, man. Love it. Welcome to the YouTube club, bro. If your ship doesn't work, right, try something. Conan. Oh my god, that's awesome. I love it. I love it. Good shit, man.
Hail to the king, baby.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, I have a lot of I got a lot of content coming. I shot some stuff and Klein Guy John, have a great night, my man. I'm so glad you made it, dude. Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. I can't believe it, man. I'm so glad I saw Klein Guy John tonight, honestly. I haven't seen him forever, man. That was great, man. So glad you came. So good to see Klein Guy John. I was thinking about him too, man. I'm like, you know what? I haven't seen Klein Guy in a while. But it's like, it's so hard, man. It's so hard being busy and like the more busy your channel gets, the harder it gets even to get out to other channels even, right? So because yeah, your channel takes up a lot of your time, lots and lots of your time. So yeah, man, oh man, I think I'm gonna shut her down though, boys. I think I'm gonna shut her down. Anybody have any last questions before I go? But yeah, I think dinner's ready, so I'm gonna go because I'm starving. I haven't eaten a thing all day. Yeah, man, I did like 1,000 stairs today carrying drywall, so I'm hungry, man. Man, it's so good to see everybody. So good to see everybody, really. Thanks again, Eddie and Mr. David for the super chats. Amos, my brother from another mother. Yeah. Cornerman Studio, BJ, Shaq, Klein Guy John, Lou Acosta. Hold on here. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dibs was in tonight. Mr. Shaq Attack, Eddie Smallhorn, Mr. David 121, Austin M. Hey, who is our new guy again tonight? Damn it. Rapper J was in. Bill Beckett was in. Georgia Peach. Oh, man. Rapper J. Did I say Rapper J? Yeah. Come on now. Mr. Rankin, 1976. Yeah, right on, man. Nice to meet you tonight. Good to see you. Hope to see you again, my man.
And his name is John C.
Zelda Master John. Zelda Master John. Anyways, if I missed you, it doesn't mean I don't love you, because I do. Hey, Louis K. Bro, you're a legend. Oh, man, no way. Cheers, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Good to see you. Welcome. I'm sorry I can't stay. I got to go. Dinner's ready. I'm hungry. But I'll be live again. I'll go live. Maybe not tomorrow, because I probably want to rest up. But the day after, so that'd be Friday. Like I said, I gotta go in, and I got like maybe I gotta go in tomorrow. I don't know if there's any work. Really, we might have done it all. But I do know I will be going in the morning and checking it all out, seeing what's up myself. But then yeah, I'm gonna buckle down and I gotta blast out some content. So yeah. See you later, guys. Peace.
Okay, stop.
I'm here with Jeff.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh yeah? Well, screw you guys. I'm going home.